Okay. Here's my second video today, anyways. And I'm really sorry. I am eating my dinner, and my mom isn't home. So I'm eating cereal. So just let me warn you guys. Here.
After this job, call it a day.
So all of this is about my Japanese appetizer, which I'm using tempura. Now it's not very. Here it is. Tempura is one of the most popular Japanese dishes. I'm gonna give you a little history before I go into the ingredients and stuff. Tempura was actually introduced to Japan at some point in the 16th century when missionaries from Portugal and Spain arrived in the country. Tempura is derived from the Portuguese word tempero, which is translated to condiment or seasoning. Tempura is known as the favorite dish of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the first shogun of the Tokugawa shogunate. And the funny thing about this is that I'm actually learning about this in world history right now, and it's incredible. Like, I didn't think that it would be such a big deal, and it's still it's one of the most popular dishes to this day, and it was popular back then, so that just shows you how, like, wow. Now, the most common way to eat tempura is using tentesu dipping sauce, and the sauce is usually made with fish stock, mirin, and soy sauce. So here are the ingredients. I guess I could show you this when I actually do the video to, like, when I kind of actually, like, make the food, but I guess I just thought I would tell you, and then I'll do it again, I guess. Wrote it all down because I have to go shopping for all the stuff. Maybe some, I'm not sure. You need 1 cup of plain flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of cold water, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, corn or potato starch, your choice of vegetables or seafoods. And I think I'm going to do asparagus or zucchini, and then some white fish, and oil, and it can be natane oil, sunflower oil, or canola oil. I think I might also do a dipping sauce. That might be fun to do. But all the websites that I looked for, the recipe, they all said it was really hard to make. So I'm starting to, like, I'm worried if this is going to be too big of a challenge for me to do, you know, because I kind of saved this till really late. Which is honestly my fault. I have to take full responsibility for that. So I'm a little worried that this might be a little too hard, and now I'm really worried about, like, the results, because I want it to turn out good, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist. So I just gotta, that's something me and Sarah have to work on, and she's made it before, so hopefully I can handle this. So this is tempura. I was gonna actually do my Greek one in this too. The problem is that I found 2 really good looking Greek dishes. I found 2 really good Greek dishes. One is sort of like a lamb burger in like feta and dill and onions and cucumbers and zucchinis. And it's all in this, like, warm pita bread, so it's like a Greek burger, I guess. And it looked really good. The problem is that I also saw these really good sort of like chicken salad thing. The problem is that I don't know which one I like more. They both said they're about the same sort of, like, challenge food-wise. But I'm terrified of, like, if I can't find lamb. So I guess I'll have to figure out that. And I have decided, and this will be in my next video because I'll do Greek and England together to handle it. I've decided for my dessert I'm going to do Eton mess, and there's a huge history on that in Britain. It comes from, like, a university. I decided on an Eton mess, but what I'm going to do, because it's really easy, it's like mushed up meringue, cream, and strawberries, and it's a really easy, quick dessert. However, the hard part of it's going to be, and I think I'll do this to make it a little more challenging for me, I think I'll make my own meringues. So I'll see how it goes.